If you wonder why I had to stop mulching, it turns out that Mama Duck is hatching her babies. Look at those little duckies. Oh. Now, don't be alarmed if Mama gets a little mean. I mean, she is hatching her eggs. Are you there, Mama Duck? Look at Mama Duck. And look at those cute little duckies. Oh, oh, they're so cute. Look at them hatching. Oh, they're hatching. Oh, it's so cute. Now, usually what'll happen, duck babies only stay on the nest for about a day. So they'll be hatching today, and then tomorrow, Mama will be leaving the nest. Sadly, though, most of the ducklings, they're not going to make it. They're going to either fall into a storm drain, get eaten by a hawk or other predator, or run over. So this is probably the most you'll ever see. So let's get up close and personal with Mama Duck. Okay. Are you mad at me? Oh, Mama is a bad ducky. Alright, we'll just withdraw the camera. We don't want you hurting your little ducklings. There we go. Look at how cute. Oh, look at those cute little quacks. Okay, I'm gonna leave you alone. You can hatch your babies, and then in a couple of days when the nest is empty, I'll finish mulching. I gotta go through these old coconut shells. Some of them I'm going to use for my next barbecue. There's some leaves and stuff here, but we don't want to disturb you. No.